Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 13 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to model more. We actually made this one bigger. We extended this as well because we're planning to do the pool here. Now we're gonna continue working on this. I want to change this location, so the location, even the location of this window should be changed on this window as well. So I'm gonna move this one right here. I'm gonna delete this so that we'll be able to move this one, and then let's just add the glass window here. Also, this one should be on this side. So now we could go to our ground, and then let's just select this and then MV to move this one right here, and then this one should be moved as well. So get it from the corner, and then we'll be able to edit this part like that. You can even touch it with that. And then after that, let's go to architecture and then wall again, and then curtain wall added here, and then go to modify, cut geometry, so select the wall and then the curtain wall, and let's go back to 3D to see how it looks. It went all the way up, so we just need to drag it. So I think this one looks good like this, and we do the same thing that we did. Add the curtain grid, and then add the mullion. All grid 50 by 65, and then select that. So that looks good. I think it's much better in terms of the look when we added that. Also, I want to just change this one, the backing, because it's transparent. I don't like the look. Even if it's here, we could just change it now right there, so at least we can see it much better. So that's fine. And then we could then add the swimming pool. So let's go to ground, and then here we could edit this boundary right here. I'm probably going to move it here for now, and then this floor should be edited, duplicate. It should be a different floor. So this is concrete lightweight. I'm just going to duplicate this because I want a different flooring for the surrounding of this. So I'm gonna edit of the pool that we're gonna add here. I want grass all around, probably here. We have something that we have here. We can actually add, like for example, a dirty kitchen here that we can have access to. So I'm going to extend this a little bit, maybe around 2000 from grid line A, and then here I'm going to edit. I'm gonna use pick line and then go around here, delete this, TR here, and then TR here. And then in terms of where the grass will be, we can add some grass right about here. And then obviously we need an opening for the pole. So I'm gonna put the pole right here. Something on this. Can extend it a bit. We just need some space for walking onto here. And we're good. And then I'm probably going to have, I'm gonna connect it to the wall first, and then maybe up to here, connect it like that. AL and then TR. So trim and extend here, trim and extend here. Click finish. Let's continue this. So trim and extend, trim and extend. There we go. And then we just need to edit again here and add a pick line here and then here. So let's trim this, trim, and then trim here. So now we have our grass here. Let's see how it looks. So it's turning out really good. We have a dirty kitchen here that we could add. So basically it's the same height as this. You can do that later on. And then we need to create a wall. So I'm gonna create a wall. So here, let's do exterior wall. Reset constraint. Here, after that, let's edit this one, duplicate, and then edit again. And then we should add, let's duplicate this one. Ceramic stone, click apply, okay, and we need to copy that so that we could apply it to the base. So here we're going ground to top for now. Let's add this one to the exterior wall. So added. What I do is I just add it first and then I'm going to change it using here. So base offset, so unconnected is going up. I want my top to be the ground and then my base is unconnected, so we could do -2000. So now it's flipped. I want the top offset to have at least 50 at the top, so it's a little bit like that. And then, so if it's 2000, I'm good with that. We just need to go to ground again, and we need to create a model in place too. We need the floor and then a water. So let's go generic model and then extrusion -2000. So extrusion solid ground, and actually we could just manipulate that later on. It's better when you're seeing it so that you don't need to do all the assessment again. So I'm gonna just add first, go to 3D, as you can see, you just need to drag it down. Even like that, it's good enough. And then go to ground again. We need to create another one, but this time it's water. So we need to go to the materials and change this to water. Select that, press OK, and then select finish. Go to 3D first to change it, and then from here we need to lower it a little bit, and then click finish. So that's about it on that. So now I want you to go to part 1 description of this video. There will be a second link, all extra families, and we have a pole ladder that we need to download. So once you download that, you just need to go to the downloads folder and drag and drop. So once you drag and drop, you can just add it. So for example, this one can be on this side. I'm gonna add it here, and maybe, yeah, just add it there first. Go to ground, and you can see where it should be. So it should be on this side, and then just nudge it in place. It needs to be like that, and as you can see, everything is touching properly. So that's how we created the pole. And then now go to ground again, and we just need to create a table here because we have a dirty kitchen. So generic model, and then here we could just do an extrusion. $875. Click finish. This one we can do another wood material, pull it up, and then with the same material, no, actually with this one, we just need a stone material again. Create, extrusion, set. We're gonna pick the top here, and then just 25. And then that is a stone material. You can choose one, like for example this one, and you could just duplicate it for now so that you have choices later on what. So we have that one there. Go to ground again, and we're just going to add sink. So edit, let's add insert. Actually, just add it first like that. Load, go back. Let's go to for specialty equipment, or maybe plumbing, architecture, equipment, fixtures. We have sinks here. Let's do this one, triple CM, and let's just add it here. You can definitely move it around if you want to, and then why not just add those burners there. So go back to the main, go to specialty equipment, domestic, mid-range, cooktop. we could do gas here, and then CM. Let's go back and try the high end. Cooktop gas. So this one. CM. And then we could just add it like that. Then let's remove the label. We don't need that. And then if you make this one fine, you will see all the grills. And then obviously you could have this one move here. If you want it to look properly, not like this, to have those openings, what you need to do is select that, edit in place, void form, void extrusion, and then just add a void extrusion on this parts. I'm going over so that you can see all the walls there. I'm going to go 3D, and then you need to go above and below. Okay, and then cut geometry. Now you can see everything, and then click finish. Here you don't need anything because it's placed on the top of this, so you're good. So now you have a dirty kitchen here, and it's up to you now to add those what we did here, like cabinet doors and everything, to make it look nice. So it's really up to you now to do that. I already shown you how to do it, and then maybe I'm going to delete this so that this will be consistent with just one grass part. Edit. I actually want a bigger lawn, so might as well just, maybe I'm going to add it from here. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna move this one, actually align it here, and then trim this, and then trim this one, and then for this I want to maybe move this one all the way here, a bigger backyard. I'm just going to add some space here for walkway, and then trim this one. There we go. And then here, edit this one. I want it to be all the way here, all the way there. Use this, and then trim and extend. And I'm going to add something here, align, and then close it off. And then now a bigger grass part, and also we have this one here. I want to have an axis here as well, so let me add this one. Let me just edit. And maybe I could extend this one. No, actually it doesn't look good if I do that, having a cross here. So it's, yeah, I think this one is good enough. I'm happy with this. And then we could extend this a bit. Yeah, even the walls. I'm just going to extend. I'm going to align it, and then align it here. So now we have bigger areas to work with. We have something here and there. We could just edit this one, edit the stairs, and then we could just move this one here so everything is touching and there's no gap. So we're good with this. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.